My name is Gordhamer. I'm a recently promoted Oracle ACE Director and a Managing Principal Consultant at Viscosity North America. And I think there was kind of unanimous feedback about the case of when you're putting your code or your information out there into AI systems, that you're basically giving that away, right? Those AI systems are now going to know about that information, and it's kind of a public record at that point. And so the example that I specifically gave was, if you start asking AI like, oh, what's the best baby furniture, what's the safety baby seats, and this kind of stuff, pretty soon AI is going to know, hey, you're having a baby. And if you start giving out like, oh, could you review this set of views and this set of code, and then someone else has to say, hey, what's the data model of XYZ company, then that AI is going to answer that because it has that information. So really, you want to be careful about exposing that information outside of your organization. Yeah, so I think we're still pretty young at this, and I think the early on issues is just more of the fact that most of them are kind of purposely not using AI. They are generally worried about this, but as the rapid growth and the rapid adoption of AI, you really just have to be careful what you're using it for. Oracle specifically has some AI code assists that are coming out, and there was kind of some interesting comments about, they say it's private, but are you really sure that it's private, right? And that concern that I think is still out there, and I think the industry really has to prove itself before people were going to accept it. So one of the questions, like, how could I use responsibly AI maybe in this area, right? And I think one of the comments, like if you talk to Craig Shellhammer, who's another fellow ACE, he's been working with us and saying one of the things you can do is bring that AI engine in-house, right? So instead of going out to a public engine stuff, bring something in-house, host your own system, manage it, and then that data never leaves your four walls, right? Obviously, there's still risk there, and even within your company, you might want to be careful about who all has access to that within your organization. But there are ways to look at this, and I think as the industry matures, we're going to find better and better models that work for everybody.